Hello guys, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you an amazing sports car. It's the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N. So let's start. So in this video I am going to show you this Abyss Black 2026 Hyundai Elantra N. This is the top of the Elantra lineup, and this is basically this is a sports car, and I am going to show you all the features. Specifically, this color is Abyss Black, and as you notice, it have red details at the bottom around the car, and I am going to show you all the features. So first of all, the N, as you know, is the sport division of Hyundai. N for Nanjing, that is the place that N was created in Korea, and also for Nürburgring. So this one, the N have that specific front rear bumper, as you see, that is very sporty, and the N logo, and as you notice it, black treatment for the Hyundai logo. Then let's take a look here from the side. Have those specific 19-inch rims with Michelin Pilot Sport tires, and the tires are very wide, are 245 and very low 35, so those are size of a race car. And as you see, have the N logo, and take a look, the N red caliper that makes a nice combination with the red details around the car, around the bottom of the car. Those side spoilers red with the N logo here, as you see, and have a tweaked suspension, tweaked shocks that are very stiff. And as you notice at this one, everything is full black except the bottom. Let's take a look from this side. The N have that specific rear spoiler, and also this treatment for the rear lights. Again, a full black treatment for the typography. And let's take a look here, a specific rear spoiler with that red light that is like the F1 cars, and dual exhaust pipe. Those dual exhaust pipe, when you are in N mode, and I am going to show you in the next minutes, open the car open the exhaust pipe and you make pop some bangs. Let me open the trunk and let me show you other nice feature that is specifically only for the N. Is that rear stabilizer bar, rear red stabilizer bar, that is only for race cars like this one. Then let's continue here. Let's go to the second row. Here we have a special treatment for the seats that have like suede and leather, and also that light blue stitching around the car. And here we have USB Type-C ports, and full black treatment for the handles and for everything too, as you see. Then let's go to the front. You have keyless entry with digital key. Then you have those nice chrome end steps, and take a look the seats. Those are bucket seats that sticks you very hard when you drive fast. And this N logo, when you are at night, illuminates. And again, the light blue stitching around the car. Take a look from this side. Very nice treatment, full black treatment. And this is one of the speakers of the most premium stereo system. Let's climb inside. Push engine start button. Take a look from here. It's very nice car. So here we have controls for windows and exterior mirrors. Here interior ambience lighting, as you see, that you can change the colors. Then here the lights to change the brightness of the cluster. Traction control off. If you notice it here, you have aluminum pedals. Then we have a full digital cluster. Then we have this nice steering wheel, very sporty, again with that light stitching, light blue stitching. That light blue is a characteristic color of the N division, and it's related to the N image, and also specifically there is a color named Performance Blue that is the main color of the N cars. If we continue the video, we have here lights with auto mode, auto high beams, front wipers. Then we have those paddle shifts when you play with the gears. Then we have buttons for phone and radio. This is for the drive modes. I am going to show you when you press this button, you change the eco, normal, and sport. And then here we have the controls for the phone and radio, sorry, for cruise control with proximity, with line assist. And then here this button is when you activate the N mode. So when you press this button, the display change. So you have this is the standard N, and then this one that you can customize the N mode. And you can customize many things that I am going to show you. And this red button is when you press this button, the car gives you 10 extra horsepower for 10 seconds to pass a car. And then again the N logo. Let me show you here this infotainment system that have navigation, and also this option that is only for the N Elantra N, that is the N mode. So here you have many graphics that you can customize, and also here the custom settings for the second N mode. And you hear that? That is when you use the N mode. And also you have this option in case you are in a circuit that you are going to drive this amazing car. Then we have here shortcuts for the infotainment system. Then we have here a classic climate system, sorry, independent climate zone, driver and passenger, with heated seats, heated steering wheel, front and rear defroster, recirculation. Then we have here USB Type-C, Type-A, 12-volt outlet, and a wireless charger. Here we have the gear shift, again N gear shift with that nice light blue details. Then we have the drive modes, that is the same like the first N button, and this is if you want to activate the rear camera. You have line assist, and also when you park the car, you have front and rear sensors. Then this is if you want to turn off the parking sensors, the gearbox, handbrake, cup holders, center armrest, and as you notice that everything is focused to the driver. Then we have the glove box here, and take a look, another view of the bucket seats that are amazing. Here at the top we have the interior lights that are halogen, and then when you open the sunroof, take a look, very nice. And if you notice it, for the roof we have a full black treatment, as you see. And here we have the sun visors with lights, and again it's an amazing sports car, as you see. Finally, let me show you the engine. And here the engine, and this is the 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder, specifically for this N car, Elantra N, that have a around 280 horsepower. Let me show you the key fob, how it looks. So this key fob is specifically for the Elantra N, that is full black and with the N logo here. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take a look with the car on. And the exhaust pipes bubbling. Alright, have a great day.